Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna do the chapter 6 mid-chapter quiz. It's gonna be a very small set of exercises for you to practice. I was gonna give you guys more, but I said, what's the point? We're gonna have a very big practice day tomorrow. I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. So today is just a sprinkling of exercises we've seen in order for you to practice what we've seen in chapter 6 so far. It includes Gaussian elimination, identity matrix, inverse matrix, determinants, Cramer's rule, and pretty much everything, multiplication of matrices, etc., etc. So what we're gonna do tomorrow is, we're gonna leave Fridays for actual question answers, live video phone calls, and just like a super help session. What I'm gonna do tomorrow is early in the morning, there will be no video. But in the group answer question form, I'm gonna list a group of exercises, both with page numbers and the number of the problems for you to do before the end of the day at 10 p.m. Now, please do not leave this for late in the afternoon because it's gonna be more work than you normally do. But since there's no video, that's why there's gonna be more work. I'm gonna select very specific problems I want you guys to do. If you can do them all relatively without, problem free, if you can do most of them, that means you're doing well. You probably won't have a problem when the test comes up, and there will be tests. If you do have problems, contact me via Team, the private chat. Say, Profe, I would like to review these problems. Let's set up a video chat. And then I will respond as soon as possible. You guys are incredibly important to me, and you guys are important. Pero I'm also going to be having the exact same question answer day with 10th grade. So if I don't answer your chat immediately, please give me some time. Omar, montaquilla conmigo. I will answer your chats just like in class. I try to answer your questions as soon as possible. We'll set up a meeting. Again, if you don't have any problems with the work I give you tomorrow, just do the work, hand it in, you're done. If you do have problems, let me know. We'll set up a video conference so I can help you with the problems you are experiencing. Again, tomorrow's exercises will be more than I normally give you guys, but this is going to happen every Friday. It's going to be a very practical, hands-on day, just so you can have that thermometer on how you're doing throughout that week of class. You did the problems with few or no issues. Awesome. Great. You struggled, let me know, and let's get you to work so you don't struggle. Because again, remember, these tests will be building up. I'm going to try my best to not give online or take-home quizzes, because that's the same thing as a group test, and I don't like it. It's going to have to be incredibly hard, incredibly long, with a very short time frame, so that you guys can have a chance to just interact and share answers. So I want to really avoid that if possible. And that means working a lot now and giving multiple tests when we get back to school. Depending on when the school opens up, we have to evaluate that situation on a daily basis. But again, I would like to not give tests at home if possible, because if they do happen, they're going to be long, they're going to be hard, and there's going to be very little time because you have computers, you have your friends, and it wouldn't be very fair. And I like to be fair. So again, do these problems. Tomorrow, wait for the exercises. I repeat, do not leave it for the end of the day, or you will be unable to finish, very likely. Besides that, have a great day. Work on these exercises. It's a small intro to what's going to happen tomorrow with the video conference chats. Take care, guys. Oh, and by the way, you should be able to, if you want to know how you're doing, this is what I would give you in a quiz. I actually had to take away some exercises. So if you want to just test yourself, you can go ahead and time yourself and see if you can do most of these within 50 minutes or less. I'm pretty sure most of you can do this. Some of them are a little long, Cramer's rule and the multiplications, but overall, not that difficult. So if you want to challenge yourself, do this under 50 minutes. You should review before though. Please review before. Matrices are somewhat confusing. That's it. Have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.